finally now the time for the eliminations round. Good afternoon and welcome back to Liga Adarna Season 3 Women Rising. After the 4 exciting days of the Open Qualifiers, we are now moving on to our eliminations round. Today we are about to witness who will be able to compete in the playoffs from Group A.
Yes, and the Liga Adarna Season 3 Women Rising is co-presented by Smart Communications Inc. The Philippines leading wireless provider is powered by ePayment Entertainment.
Yon, what is up you guys? Kabayangin yung mga kasama. I am Honey Glacy DW, together with me is Madam P, Miss Persian Cass. Pero yun nga guys, before tayo pumasok syempre sa unang mainit na round, which is the battle between LVD Huntress and Finesse Empress, keep on watching dahil meron kayong chance manalo ng 800 worth diamond skin giveaway. Just follow these 3 simple steps. Like our page and the stream, share the stream and make it in public, and huwag niyong kakalimutan na mag-tag 3 of your friends down below in the comment section with the hashtag LA, capital LAW, Women Rising, and exclamation point notify.
So yun, so keep on sharing, keep on liking, and keep following our page syempre kasi napakadami bukod pa doon sa mga pag-giveaway na mangyayari today syempre, di ba Miss Honey Glace? Pero bago
Exactly. I am so good and I'm so mainit for this day, Miss P. Dahil alam mo, throughout the seasons of Liga Adarna, nakita natin yung naging growth and especially yung naging progress ng mga teams na ito, LVD and Finesse Empress. Kaya naman sobrang excited ako for this first game ng elimination round. Pero before that, aside for the live stream giveaways, Miss P, and sa mga viewers natin ngayon, we also have a weekly giveaway. You have a chance to win 500 worth diamond skin or any in-game currency of your choice. We posted the question last Monday. To join, just follow the 3 simple steps again. Leave the right answer in the comment section, hit the like button for this page, and share the post. We will announce the winner next week. And kaya naman abangan nyo lahat ng mga nagiging question dito per week ng Liga Adarna para manalo kayo kung if ever na gusto nyo nung 500 worth of diamonds or especially sa Valorant or kaya sa iba pang games. Keep on following. And yun nga, huwag nyo kakalimutan yung exclamation point notify dito sa comment section, ha?
Yes, syempre, but then, witness your favorite teams battle it out and of live gameplays with your squad Smart. Powers up your game with 3 games for all. Get up to 14 gig for Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, and Facebook Gaming. For only 99 pesos lang yun and 7 days na. Just simply download the new Giveaway app and choose free games, or you can dial *123# and choose free
Next, we
games.
would also like to thank our major sponsors, ePayment Corporation and Esports News PH, and would also like to thank our charity partner Worldwide Fund for Nature. While the virtual world is limitless world of wonder for people to explore, Liga Adarna reminds that it is everyone's duty to be responsible and bring forth the interest and survival of our planet in order to #change the ending. The league encourages everyone to band together as a community to join and start a campaign, contribute to environmentally inclined movements and projects, and to take it to the streets. Hashtag speak up for nature and call for genuine policy change. Pero yun nga guys, ngayon naririnig nyo na yung drafting phase natin. I'm so excited for today and alam ko excited din kayo. Kaya naman ilalabas na natin, ipebenta na natin finally ang nami-miss nyong lahat. Tofu, take it away.
Thank you so much, Honey Glaze, for that introduction. And yeah, guys, I'm your resident analyst for this game, Tofu, and this is Finesse Empress versus LVD Huntress. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, for the team Finesse is casual support band, the Selena and the Eve band. So wala tayong wards, no? And wala tayong mga map vision coming from the Selena. And yung team fight advantage na meron si Eve nga naman. And for the side naman ng LVD Huntress, they've banned out dito yung ating Johead and the Paquito. We both know, ladies and gentlemen, no, na yung Paquito and yung Johead, pwede itong gawing side laner and pwede rin itong gawing tank din naman. So, for the side here of the Finesse Empress, kuha agad nila. First pick dito yung Alice natin, which is sobrang lakas pagdating sa mga team fight because of the blood own and the sustainability na meron yung Alice natin, ladies and gentlemen. Meanwhile, on the LVD Huntress, they prio na yung kanilang core, which is si Roger, no? And same as Benedetta. So, makikita natin more on close combat talaga ang LVD Huntress dito based on the first 3 picks with that Uranus, ladies and gentlemen. They secure na yung kanilang XP laner, although may XP laner na yung side ng Finesse Empress dito. So let's see. Rafael has been banned out for the side of LVD Huntress because they know na open yung Claude and pwedeng i-partner to into a Rafaela, but Farza has been banned out for the side of Finesse Empress on the side here kasi nga naman wala pang support na nire-reveal naman yung LVD Huntress. So, what will the LVD will pick? There you go, Grok, for the zoning capabilities lamang na sa jungle invasion dito ang side ng LVD Huntress. Lalong-lalo na sa early game, alam natin yung Roger, kayang-kaya mag-dominate nito early game, plus with that Grok as well, mga kaibigan. But Lunox is now hovering, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if they pick the Lunox or Lu Yi. And laking advantage nito kasi nga naman more on close combat ang ating side ng LVD Huntress. So meaning nun magdidikit-dikit sila always. Si Lu Yi meron siyang dispersion and rotation na talaga namang kokontrolin kayo or higupin kayo dito, no? But with that last pick, Angela, the hero composition is now full, ladies and gentlemen, no? Ano sa tingin nyo ang lineup dito na magwawagi? Pero tanungin ko muna ang ating mga nagagandahang shoutcasters. Ibabato ko na sa inyo, Miss Sonic Glaze and Madam Perchan.
Thank you so much, Tofu, for that wonderful analysis of the game number 1 ng first day ng elimination round. Again, guys, abangan nyo po yung elimination round natin ngayong weekend. We are going to have it until this Sunday. Kaya naman, keep on commenting below the exclamation point notify. Pero syempre, bago lahat ng yan, i-shoutout muna natin yung isa pa sa mga sponsors natin sa Fantech Philippines, our official gaming partner, game peripheral partner here in Liga Adarna. Pero bago lahat ng yan, syempre, papasok na tayo into the land of dawn again. We are your shoutcasters. I am Honey Glaze with the W. Together with me is Persian Cast.
So thank you, Miss Honey Glaze. Pero actually, napaka-interesting na line-up ng LVD Huntress dito against this Finesse Empress. Sobrang punat. Alam mo yung parang tipo may graph ka pa na sobrang kulit when it comes to that rotation. So, medyo kaabang-abang sa akin. Ito nga first game. Pero siyempre, naasahan ko pa rin ano yung gante na gagawin ng Finesse Empress. Knowing na ang Finesse Empress is talagang isa sa mga team natin na subok na.
Exactly. And ngayon naman nakikita natin kung gaano nagiging agresibo dito si Mirai with those jungle invades. Pero with the heart waves coming from Amore with the use of the Angela, nasuslowdown niya naman dito yung movement speed ng isa Matilda. Kaya ngayon sila ang nadedelay and patuloy pa rin ang mga nagiging agresibo dito. Members from LVD Huntress. Let us see how kung matutuloy ba yung jungle invade na ito or mapapunish siya dito ni Gizzy B. Gizzy B, ilang beses na natin nakikita yan dito sa Liga Adarna. And happy, very, very happy to be one of the casters today for this game.
Exactly, Miss Honey Glaze. Pero kita nyo naman niya si Jeffrey onto that bottom lane na nakikipag 1v1 take doon sa Chopa. So, sabagay kasi, ang ganda rin kasi ng mga skills or ang hirap din sometimes hulihin ng isang Benedetta, not unless talagang matatimingan na ng isang Chopa, paano niya matatapatan or paano niya mahuhuli yung Benedetta.
Totoo yan. Dahil nga meron siyang eye for an eye dito in which kung mabibigyan siya ng crowd control dito ng kalaban niya, maibabalik niya yon with a point 1 or 1 or so seconds against the enemy. But still, this, katulad na nga lang din ang sinabi ni Tofu kanina, dikit-dikit or more on melee damagers ang nakikita natin dito for LVD. And once na nagawa na utilize dito maigi ng members from Finesse Empress, yung rotation dispersion coming in from that Lu Yi, I think this is going to be a problem for LVD Huntress.
And for this game for 2 minutes, wala nang casualties, but at the same time, yung gold lead, 5 pointer, napakalapit, pero Miss Honey Glaze onto the top lane.
Yes, the Heart Guard is there to save the life of Uranus. Pero sabi dito ni Louie, gusto niya pa sanang maging agresibo pero hindi umabot yung kanyang dispersion doon. And under the 1 minute mark, we have another first blood into the bottom lane. A turtle has been slain for the side of LVD Huntress. There's an exchange na nagaganap. Pero syempre, we have this game, this clash in favor of LVD Huntress getting those two objectives. First one is the first blood and the second is the Lord take. That is an early aggression and early point of winning condition dito sa game number 1 natin, Miss P.
Yes, exactly, Miss Honey Glaze. And medyo delicate din kasi dito for as Empress is because of the Rika Cutie is, alam natin, kapag ka ganito, against this Roger, farm dependent kasi siya. So, item dependent. So, kailangan masabayan niya kung gaano kabilis mag-farm yung Roger. And alam din kasi ni Rika Cutie na anytime na mag-clash, hindi ako pwedeng sumabay sa inyo kasi sobrang lambot ko. Kung i-compare talaga natin dito sa LVD Huntress na grabing ko na talaga.
Yes, exactly. Ang isa lang din siguro na madali nila mapapatay dito yung Angela. Pero Angela kasi parang walking word na rin yan, in which nandun lang siya into the bushes pero as long as nandoon pa rin sa mga clashes ng mga kasama niya and may ultimate siyang available, katulad na lang ng nangyari kanina na iligtas niya yung buhay ng isa sa mga members from LVD Huntress. But still, kailangan pa rin talaga mag-ingat ng LVD dito, knowing that it's a buy one take one kapag naipit yung Angela at pati yung mauultihan, mapapatungan ng isang Angela.
Naku, mukhang mahuhuli pa nga ata ni Angela si Matilda, pero syempre, hindi nga lang din naman nahahayaan. Yung medyo malamig pa yung malamig yung simoy ng hangin sa Landaw. Parang nandito yung kapaan. Gameplay, paano yung rotation, pero to the top lane is Honey Glaze.
Yes, we have here Lina using already the ultimate pero mukhang wala pang gagawin dito. Circling Eagle coming in from the Matilda. Disengage lang muna si PB but still the aggression is there para syempre ma-dominate nila yung lane. Pero speaking of domination of the lanes, we have a Benedetta going up against the Chu. One-on-one situation, medyo kalmado pa rin naman sila. Eye for an eye. Oh, there goes the slash. Electro find a blow. All low on health. Chu. Going to be a kill for the side of LVD Huntress pero sabi dito ni Matilda hindi pwedeng walang gante kaya naman low on health kagad dito si PB. We have the rotation dispersion. Oh my gosh, hindi maaabutan dito si Reyes kaya naman ligtas pa rin na 0-3 under 4 minutes mark into this game.
Ito yung medyo talagang risky situation, lalo na kapag early game. Kita nyo naman yung rotation na nanggagaling din dito sa LVD. Nandun din kasi yung kampante na makunat ako. At the same time, ang unang nakakuha pa ng kills is this Benedetta. Tapos sumusunod si Roger na nakakapagbigay pa ng space and time to farm. So talagang napakahirap paano ngayon sasabayan ng Pinas Empress o paano nila tatapatan. Knowing naman na ang manggagaling for o ang pinaka-setter nila is aabangan natin kay Louie or dito kay Lina, which is the Ali.
Nakakapikon pa naman yung mga distraction na binibigyan niyan. But GZB going up against those aggressive playstyles. We have the flowing blood. Nandun pa rin naiibig dito si GZB. We have the power of nature coming in from Grok. Dispersion rotation coming in from Louie. And there goes the stun. Hard guard is already used. Louie will be able to get that kill. Low on health. Grok will be using the dual charge. And disengage lang may kukuha, mabibigay nila dito from the damage from the casualties given to the side of Finesse Empress. 1 hero is down for LVD Huntress.
Yung ko lang talaga napasabi sa amin, is naman na kulong ka na ng ka-opportunity dyan, tatlo ba naman? Angela lang yung mga katapat. Pero sa amin, guys, yung ko lang na nakita talaga, ang tapang ng mga babae. Pero naman tatlo yung sumusunod dun sa top lane against this. Pero to the top lane is amin, guys.
Yes, we have another commotion skirmish ongoing. Nakakuha na nga ng kill dito si Roger. We have a lone health BB but still going up into the backlines is Fizel with the use of the Louie. Pero magdi-disengage lang muna siya but still hindi pa pala muna dahil there goes the rotation dispersion killing off the Uranus off of the map. 5 to 6 minutes mark of the game. Palit kumbaga ang nagawa dito skirmish onto the top lane.
Pero yun nga lang, nagiging problema kasi may makulit na Benedetta na yes, kumukuha rin ng objectives. Though gustong sabayan ng Finesse yung rotation. Kaso kasi, let's see so, pero holding on to my thoughts ni Sonic Blaze.
Yes, we have the Alecto final blow. Hard guard already used by the Angela for about 40 to 50 seconds. Tuloy, wala muna magagamit yung ultimate dito ng isang Angela. Kaya naman mag-iingat na mabuti dito, members from the side of LVD Huntress from any kind of pick-off na pwedeng i-engage dito ng Finesse Empress. Pero speaking of a pick-off, mukhang magkakaroon na naman ng one-on-one situation dito. Reed going up against the Vendetta carefree dito into the bottom lane. Grabe yung pag-maintain niya ng first tier turret here into the bottom lane, Misty.
Yes, but onto the top lane, apat na nga yung nakaabang sa'yo, pero I think magkakaroon ba ng sandwich gameplay? Pero kung hindi nga lang din naman nakahayaan ng LVD Huntress na ganunin or harasan lang din kami sa top lane. Kita mo naman nangungulat lang din yung ating graph, pero yung skill na nanggagaling kay Luis yung nagpapahirap sa kanila. Kumbaga yung connection with Louie and Alice, gusto nilang pagsabayin.
Yes, exactly, Miss P. We have here already used the Mountain Shocker locating and trying to get the information kung nasaan na members from the side of LVD Huntress. GZB going up against the Benedetta while they are trying to secure this second turtle into the land of Dawn. Alecto, final blow will not be taking in that turtle, pero while sure siya ba dito onto the top lane, mid lane rather, pero we have the circling eagle way of the dragon. Oh! Nakaganti na finally dito si Chu, pero tamang trabaho lang muna dito si Phoebe while she is cutting off the lanes dito sa top lane. Pero mukhang mali yata yung decision na ginagawa niya kasi wala siya doon sa mga naganap na pangyayari dito against LVD Huntress. Kaya naman isa-isa na natutumba yung mga tarangkahan nila. First tier turrets into the top and mid lane are already destroyed.
Ang nangyari ngayon sa Finesse, so nakuha na namin ngayon yung strategy. Kasi alam natin kapag kami mga may set up tayo, ang hirap nila palagay through early game, lalo na kapag nagsabay-sabay sila. So makikita natin, umaangat ngayon yung Finesse Empress, pero holding on, Sarges.
Yes, sinahabol tuloy natin ngayon si Matilda, pero nandun pa rin naman yung dashes niya and that movement speed coming in from the Matilda to manage to escape from that possible pick-off. Pero apat kaagad ang rotate against them. We have LVD Huntress taking this first tier turret and mukhang mawawalan na sila ngayon ng resources dito for the side of Finesse Empress. Blood already used, like and bounce will be the one dealing a lot of damage against Finesse Empress. Rika Cutie will be disengaging, pero sabi niya dito lalawa ang nawala sa kanilang team. Kaya naman 9-minute mark ay nasa pabor ng LVD Huntress.
Ito yung laban na hindi mo makikita yung pagiging one-sided, knowing parties. Nakita nyo naman yung clash na naganap onto that side lane. Iba pa rin kapag kami kunat, iba pa rin kapag kami nagpo-front sa'yo tapos nakakapag-sigit. Yung pinaka-damage dealer nyo, hindi mo siya mapapantayan kahit gaano pa kasasakit yung damage na kayang ibigay. Pero as you can see here, 9 minutes pa lang to, pero 4-10 na pabor yung ating score. Pero when it comes to that goal, hindi sa ganon nagkakalayo. So umaasa pa rin tayo na makakahabol at makakahabol pa. Pero kung mapapansin natin ni Sunny Blaze, yung nag-execute natin which is the horn, nahihirapan humabol knowing time TV ini 0-1.
Electro final blow, royal charge, way of the dragon is already used, but we have Matilda going down for the count. Hahabol pa rin naman dito si Carefree. We have Inverse going with the blood of throwing blood, pero sabi nila dito masyado ka na makunat, kaya naman disengage lang muna kami. -1 na tuloy members from the side of Finesse Empress, and they have the opportunity. -1 sila pareho, but we have an opportunity given for the side of LVD Huntress to get this first level lord, pero sabi nila dito mukhang delicate mo muna, Miss P, kasi nandito pa si na Inverse, nandito pa si Rika Cutie, in which meron pa siyang retribution. And once na masalisan sila, pwede sila maakyat bahay dito against the first level or take.
Medyo mahirap kasi kapag nag-release tayo. Siyempre, mas gusto natin maging safe paminsan-minsan or tingnan ko paano yung magiging galawan. Knowing pa, as of this moment, nakakabawi at nakakabawi talaga. Pero minsan,
Another hero will be slain here into the hands of LVD Huntress. Low and held na dito si Nazel. Kaya naman ngayon, they have this opportunity to get this first level Lord as we have here Chu going into the bottom lane at siya na lang din yung halos sa tunog trabaho dito dahil alam niya na kahit papaano dapat ito yung maibigay niya, maiambag niya into the side, into the winning condition of Finesse Empress, and we have first level Lord already given to the side of LVD Huntress. Ngayon we have the Glock block going up against Rika Cutie, and that is a corner kill for LVD Huntress. Rika Cutie is eliminated from the land of Dawn.
So nyo naman mga kaibigan, nahihirapan talaga gumalaw yung Finesse against this LBD. Lalo na nahuhuli si Rika Cutie. Roger, for that 503, sumasakit at sumasakit direct. Patingin nga nung ating item ng ating PC, which is a Roger. We have the Demon Hunter, the Wing Talker. So talagang pabuo pa ngayon siya ng endless battle and 8.6. At para mo sa 6.5, talagang kailangan pang humabol ng humabol. So LVD kumakatok na sa mga tore ng Finesse Empress. And nahihirapan talaga silang gumalaw knowing na hawak na ng LVD yung mapa.
Exactly, no? Tama ka doon, Miss P. And they will be losing a lot of resources, syempre, dahil nakuha na nila yung mga tier turrets here into the top and mid lane. Kaya naman makakakuha naman sila ng opportunity for LVD Huntress to go in those resources sa mga jungle takes nila. Kaya naman ngayon, we have here for the side of Finesse Empress, sila ngayon yung naiipit into a clash or into a rotation against LVD Huntress into our 12-minute mark of the game.
Parang kahit hulihin mo ngayon si Amore, which is si Angela, kasi napaganda when it comes to that support, mahirap pa rin kasi ang daming nakaabang. They have this Carefree, si Benedetta, tapos mahuli man si Keishi. Alam mo yun, yung may isa man kaming hulihin na damage dealer sa inyo, ang hirap pa rin kasi may isa pa rin nakaabang, tapos sasaniban pa ng Angela. So, gusto ko lang talaga paano ngayon yung gagawin or magandang setup, gameplay na mangyayari for this Finesse Empress.
And most probably, Miss Pia, ang kailangan nilang gawin dito talaga malocate yung positionings dito ng isang Roger, Way of the Dragon, or kaya Circling Eagle coming from the Chu and the Matilda. And doon na natin makikita kung kaya or ganalicious na nga ba yung mga damage nila or yung mga pang-pick off nila. Kasi ang hirap talaga matapatan yung like and pounce na dito in which hindi siya magiging hindi siya magiging targetable from the side of the enemy team, in which doon tayo mahihirapan makakabawi or makakuha nga ng winning condition dito ang Finesse Empress. Pero syempre, this is a Mobile Legends game. Mobile Legends Bang Bang, sometimes nagkakaroon tayo ng mga errors, sometimes nagkakaroon tayo ng mga epic comeback. Kaya naman ngayon, magkakaroon nga ba man ng epic comeback? We have the Electro Final Blow, Blood of the Use, we have the Witcher Transition para lang manigas at para lang din syempre makapagbigay ng damage kahit nandun siya nakatayo against 4 members from the side of LVD Huntress. MVD Huntress though will be getting one from the side of Finesse Empress. Kaya naman ngayon, they are running supreme against the side of Finesse Empress. Kinukuha pa rin nila yung mga resources. Hindi sila gaanong maasim at hindi sila gaanong desperate to get those one more kill, another kill from the side of Finesse Empress.
Pero ang ganda nung nangyaring clash onto that middle lane. Kasi nahirapan sila pumasok. Gusto man nila idiretso yung naganap na clash, pero yung hirap, o yung siguro naantay na lang natin paano magsiset si Izen or that Nui, tapos si Lina as well. Kasi may nangyari ng clash na halos nagsabay yung connection na tinatawag natin for this Lina and Izel. Napakaganda kasi nahihirapan sila. Siguro mangyari lang ulit yung ganong vacuum effect. Tapos with that ultimate skill for the Blood Oath, tapos pihit ni Rika Cutie, napakagandang set yung mangyayari doon. Yung nagkatan with that GZG pa for Circling Eagle. So, tamang timing lang siguro yung aantayan natin for Finesse Empress. Yun lang yung key as of this moment.
Most likely, no? Kung magkaroon man ng opportunity dito ang side of Finesse Empress to get and to steal this Lord, pwede nila ma-epic comeback ito against the side of LVD Huntress. We have the ultimate coming in from Louie. Uy, GZB dito ang matitira. Maiipit yata siya dito. We have these strings coming in from Amor. Jit Kundo naman ang papapalayo dito si Reed. Kaya naman disengage another hero or another Lord is into the hands of LVD Huntress. Naipit naman sa kanilang mga kamay. Alecto, final blow together with the wall charge. Blood Oath is already used. We have Louis already out of the map, out of the clash. Humahabol ngayon si Amore. We have the Way of the Dragon taking in that Angela together with the Circling Eagle. Pero buhay na buhay pa rin naman na makukunat na members from the side of LVD Huntress. Ito yung gusto mo mga clashes when you have an Angela. Yung, kahit yung Angela na lang talaga yung mapatay, wag lang talaga yung ibang mga core damagers nyo or mga tanky heroes nyo. Kaya naman, it's a worthy exchange for the side of LVD Huntress since they have the second level Lord. This is the Luminous Lord already marching down into the top lane.
Yes. Maganda nga yung team na naganap. So, pero hindi pa nga rin yung magiging representative in the top lane. Kasi nakita mo nakakuha na naman ng another objectives. Ano, marami pa na naman sa base militar. Pero mukhang sa tower lock na nga at tapawin nga ni Dave.
Yes, okay. We have here Uraeus going up against the Chu. Chu will be the one taking in that kill. Kaya naman ngayon, masasabi natin na medyo naging maasim or nag-overstay sila sa welcome na ngayon against the side of Finesse Empress. And we have a 1-to-1 exchange. And we have here for the side of Finesse Empress, sila ngayon ang mahihirapan pa rin. Nahihirapan pa rin naman sila na i-clear out yung mga minion range. Depend yung kanyang base. Pero syempre si Ridito going in for that kill with the dragon that Jit Kundo used already to eliminate another one from LVD Huntress.
Welcome doon kay Reed, ah. Actually, sa kanya nanggagaling yung laro. Kanina ko pa napapansin. So, parang nakikita mo yung liwanag or konting pag-asa na yes, kaya pa ng Finesse Empress. And pagka ganitong late game na, puso talaga yung mga epic comeback gameplay. And nakikita na for this LVD, yung mga asim gameplay. And makulit lang ulit na makuha ulit nila si Amore. May hirapan na naman sila sumabay sa clash eh.
Exactly my point as well, Miss P. Dahil nga, ang ganda na ng magiging positionings dito ng Chu. Although, medyo kinabahan ako kasi laban sa apat yung pinasok niya kanina, Jit Kundo and Way of the Dragon. Ang naging downside lang nito for the side of LVD, bakit hindi nila nakuha pa rin yung kill na yan? But still, kasi naman, this is still a Chu na may immortality and syempre, may damage pa rin siya throughout those clashes and throughout those pick-off. And once na may makuha na naman siya dito, tama ka sa sinabi mo, Miss P, there's a chance na ma-epic comeback or kaya makuha nga yung winning condition dito ng Finesse Empress against LVD Huntress.
And sobrang sasakit na rin kasi talaga ng mga item ng isang show. Kung mapapansin natin mga kaibigan. And as battle, later to hepta, naka-BOD pa, tapos nakukuha na rin ni Cho yung tamang timing kung sino yung kukuhanin. Sino yung isiset ko. Wag lang rin talaga ulit si Roger pa. Aking luwag na rin sa kanila.
Yes, indeed, Miss P. Ngayon naman, nag-iintayan na naman tayo for another Lord to respond here into the Land of Rome. We still have 40 to 45 seconds remaining. Pero syempre, ubos na naman ang resources sila dito. And we have here, for the side of LVD Huntress, parang pinipinch na lang nila yung mga lanes dito. Magkaubusan na nga ng mga resources and ng mga gold resources dito for the side of Finesse Empress. Speaking of, nakuha pa rin naman ni PCB dito yung red buff onto their jungle side, pero mukhang naiipit lang sa kanilang mga kamay. Two tanky heroes going up against the Chu, but Chu will be disengaging with the use of the Jit Kundo, kaya buhay na buhay pa rin naman siya against the clash, against this skirmish ongoing here into their jungle side.
Ngayon kung mapapansin natin si Keishi nakaabang na sa ating pangalawang pangatlong Lord na rather to, so medyo mahula kami to para makuha ating pangatlong Lord as well. See kung i-contest ba ng Finesse Empress o talagang bantay sarado sa ating mga tangke yung ating Finesse Empress.
Ooh, we have the rotation dispersion. Blood Oath will be the one scaring off the members from LVD Huntress. Nakaka-pressure na ito for LVD. Kaya naman hindi na muna na itutuloy ito. Third level Lord, Alecto, final blow. Already used, already casted by the Benedetta. We also have here another kill with the Lycan Pounce coming from the Roger. Low na rin dito si Zel. Tatlo na po ang nawawala for the side of Finesse Empress. But we have Reed going in for those turret push into the mid lane, pero buhay na buhay pa rin naman ang mga kumanan dito from LVD Huntress, kaya naman is siya na lang ang natitira. We have the Jit Kundo, wild charge, at pa rin naman na pumupuna. We have the knock up coming in from Chu. Mukhang we still have a chance for the side of Finesse Empress. Yes, we do. We have na dito, disengage na lang muna for LVD Huntress as we have here 10 seconds remaining for GCB to respond back into the land of Dawn. Pero mukhang matalian pa nga ng Hellstrings dito coming in from Amore. We have also the hard guard. So, walang anilangan na papasok na dito si Carefree. We have a shutdown. Monster kill for the Benedetta. And it is already a tower lockdown for the side of LVD Huntress, getting this game number 1 into our first day eliminations round.
Miss Honey Glaze, wala akong masabi. I mean, I really want to commend the show. Kita mo kung paano niya nakuha, kung paano niya gustong i-hold. Knowing pa na tatlo yung mapapatay mo onto that clash, mag-isa ka lang humaharap. So kahit talo yung Pinas dito, recommend talaga si ginawa ni Reed. Sobrang galing, right timing, alam mo kung kailan mo papasukan. Pero syempre, ibibigay natin to sa pinakinaantay dyan sa comment section, our analyst for this
Grabe
game.
yung ngiti mo.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Sonic Glaze and Persian. No? Welcome back to post-match analysis, mga kaibigan. Ako, Tofu here for the analyst on this game, ladies and gentlemen. What went wrong doon sa Finesse Empress that time, no? Early stages of the match, pantay ang laban natin, pero naging iba pagdating ng mid-game. Why? Kasi ang strategy ng both of the teams nung una is sabayan yung isa't isa, no? Which is good for them kasi nga at the same time napaka-risky kasi isa lang yung pwedeng mag-stand out doon. Sinabayan ng Huntress and yung Empress yung isa't isa, and doon sa clash na naiwan si Rika Cutie sa may top lane, doon sa may jungle side, doon na nagsimula yung kalbaryo ng Finesse Empress. Nung nangyari yun, natalo na naman sila ng isang team fight with that beautiful setup by the Grok, by this Benedetta as well, no? Ang nangyari kasi dito for the side of Huntress, ito yung tactics nila is Benedetta goes in, tapos siya na yung magbabawas ng lahat, same as Phoebe, yung ating Uranus, no? And once na kalahati na yung buhay, that's the time for Keishi to go in with the Lycan Pound. So, na-punish doon yung yung Finesse Empress natin, mga kaibigan. But, gaya sabi ni Miss Persian, ganda nung ginawa ni Reed nung last play na yun. Actually, patapos na sana pero with the Jit Kun do knock up, tapos may na Way of the Dragon pa siya, na-prolong niya pa naman yung ating GG push na ginagawa ng Finesse ng LVD Huntress doon. But that's it for the game. I will now pass you to the caster Sonic Glaze and Persian.
Yun. Thank you so much, Tofu. Alam namin na grabe talaga, naging suspense talaga yung first day. Ito yung mga common scenarios na sinasabi ko na ang sarap maging shoutcaster. That was a GG well played game for our first day ng elimination round. Pero ano ba ang masasabi mo, Miss P?
Tinitingnan ko talaga draft pa lang, sabi ko paano talaga tatapatan. Yes, they have the main setup, may damage, pero kasi, alam mo yun, iba pa rin kasi pag pumasok na tayo mid to late, yung tankiness kasi na tinatawag natin, yun yung medyo mahalaga sa akin. Kasi kaya nga nang lagi kong sinasabi, kahit gaano pa kagaling yung core mo, sabihin na natin given, ikaw yung mas nagsashine out, kasi mas umaasa ako paano ako susuportahan. Hindi rin talaga ako makakapag-item kung walang nakaabang din sa akin. Yung front kasi yung hahanapin natin at the same time, yung pinaka-setter, yung mag-hold sa'yo habang nagbibigay ka. So, yun yung medyo nakulangan ako for that Finesse Empress.
Thank you so much for your insight, Miss P. Kaya naman ngayon, before namin ibigay kaagad ilatag yung pangalawang game na mainit din for our first day ng elimination round, let us go into a short break. Magbabalik kami. I am Honey Glaze with the Double E. Together with me is Persian Cast.